Hey friends, this is Merzy and welcome back to our channel. Or if you're new here, hi, I'm so glad you're joining me today. So, I recently stopped by Daiso Korea and as always, I couldn't resist picking up some cute, affordable, and surprisingly useful stuff. You know how Daiso has everything from beauty finds to home must-haves. Yup, this haul has a little bit of everything, from skincare to laundry hacks and even a few things I didn't know I needed until I saw them. And the best part, all of these are budget friendly, perfect for anyone who wants to stay organized, refreshed, and a little more pampered without spending a ton of money. Alright, so let's dive into the useful things I bought at Daiso Korea. Today, I'm sharing some super useful finds I picked up at Daiso Korea. All affordable, cute, and practical. So let's start! First up, this scented candle in pomegranate scent. It smells so fresh and sweet, not too strong, just a perfect mood booster for a cozy night in. This little candle surprised me. It's in a cute glass jar and smells exactly like juicy, fresh pomegranate. Not too overpowering, just enough to make your space feel cozy and fruity. I like lighting this one during my skincare routine or while journaling. Instant good vibes. Next, the Silicone 2-in-1 Scrub for scalp and skin. It has soft silicone bristles on one side and a textured surface on the other. Great for deep cleaning your scalp or giving your face a gentle massage. Okay, this product is a genius. One side has soft silicone bristles that feel so relaxing when you massage your scalp in the shower. The other side has a textured surface great for scrubbing your face or even applying body wash. It's like a mini spa tool that fits in your palm. Love it for scalp health and gentle exfoliation. So grab yours now! A must-have wooden toothpicks. I know, simple right? But always handy to have around after meals or for little cleaning hacks. A super simple item, but I always run out of this. I use them for after meals, cleaning tight spaces, or even little DIYs and crafts. The container keeps them organized and clean, so it's great for keeping in the kitchen or bag. How cute is this dish cleaner? It's in a floral shape and honestly, it just makes doing the dishes more fun. Plus, it scrubs really well. This might be the cutest dish sponge I've ever seen. It's shaped like a flower and has layers of scrubby and soft material. Dryer sheets in lavender scent. These smell so calming and keep your clothes soft and fresh after every wash. A little touch of spa vibes on laundry day. These dryer sheets smell amazing, calming and clean, like lavender fields. I toss one in the dryer with my clothes and everything comes out smelling fresh and soft. I even tuck a shade into drawers and bags for a subtle scent. I also grabbed this milk soap. It's creamy and moisturizing. The scent is light and clean, perfect for daily use. This bar soap super gentle on the skin. It lathers nicely and leaves your skin feeling soft, not dry or tight. The scent is almost like baby powder, great for everyday showers or hand washing. Color catcher sheets, a laundry lifesaver. Just toss one in with your clothes to prevent colors from mixing. Works surprisingly well for the price. If you're like me and accidentally mix colors, just toss a sheet into the wash and it catches the dye. I've tested it with reds and whites, and yes, it works. Saves your clothes from turning weird colors. Mini wet wipes. These are super convenient for your bag or car. Great for quick cleanups when you're out and about. Compact, cute, and super convenient. It has 4 mini wet wipes in one pack. They're great for sticky hands, cleaning surfaces, or freshening up when you're on the go. I always keep one in every bag now. Portable Type-C adapter, a must-have tech item. If you're using devices with Type-C ports, this little adapter is super handy for charging or transferring data. It's small enough to keep in your wallet or kitchen pouch, and it's already saved me a few times. 4-piece Scrunchies Set. I love this! The colors are neutral and soft, which go with any outfit. They're gentle on the hair, don't tug or pull, and still hold everything in place. Plus, they double as cute wrist accessories when you're not using them. Medipeel Extra Super 9 Toner. This was such a good find. It's a watery toner packed with nutrients. Hydrates my skin and makes it feel calm and prepped before serum. I've been using it day and night, and it helps my skin soft and smooth, not sticky at all. Point Deep Clean Whip Cleansing Foam. If you love that squeaky clean feeling after washing your face, this one's for you. It foams up really well, removes makeup and dirt easily, and doesn't dry my skin. It's perfect as a second cleanser in a double cleansing routine. Merzy Blur Tint Keyring. So cute and practical. It's a mini lip tint attached to a keychain. The color is soft and matte with a blurry lip effect. Very Korean style. It's perfect for quick touch-ups, and the packaging is totally Instagram worthy. Look at the packaging, it's so cute. You can attach it on your bag or coin purse or pouch. Super convenient. Lastly, the storage box. Nothing fancy but super useful. I use this for organizing skincare, makeup, or even stationery. It keeps my desk or vanity neat, and since it has a neutral color, and it is my favorite color as well, it's color blue. It blends in with everything. Daiso always has good options for these. So, that's everything I grabbed from Daiso Korea this time. Honestly, these little things make everyday life more convenient and a bit more aesthetic too. Let me know which item you like the most or what you usually get when you visit Daiso. And let me know in the comments which item you'd love to try. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hauls and lifestyle videos. Thanks for watching! See you next time!